this is Cape Palmerston Holiday Camp, and it provides a huge range of facilities. As you can see in the background there are permanent gazebo tents and lots of really well appointed drive-through caravan sites, as well as open acreage for campsites, a great amenities block, and camp kitchen, and all of the things that you'd expect to find in a more cosmopolitan setting. Cape Palmerston is about 20 kilometres off the Bruce Highway at Ilbilby and about 40 kilometres south of Serena. We'll take a walk now and have a look, see what the beach looks like.
It's time tomorrow, cheery mind. After we had ridden for